Sasuke Strongest Uchiha asks, does speed and processing power matter in PC gaming? First off, I can see you're a Naruto fan. Second, and more to your question, that depends on so many different factors. Everything from the resolution for your game, the architecture of the CPU, to how your game utilizes your CPU. All of these things could be a factor. And in some of those cases, yes, processing power and speed absolutely matter. But in others, it may not. Let me show you how not apples to apples this is. If we take the 7600X, the 9600X, and the 14900K into an arena, you'd expect that the 24-core 6 GHz processor would be the star, right? Well, looking way back to our initial coverage of the Ryzen 9000 series, the 9600X led all three at 1080p performance in our benchmarks with its meager 3.9 GHz base clock. Now, when you start getting into doing more than gaming, or if you're playing games like Civilization, that's just squeezing every bit of power it can get from your CPU. That's where you're going to see speed and power have a higher impact even on your gaming performance. Basically, the answer to your question, the importances of clock speed and processing power all depend on how much your games are relying on your CPU. But I will say universally that GPU will always be a bigger jump in performance for gaming than you will be seeing from a CPU.